Hello mga ka-realtor, another house, another day. So this is my daily routine in every afternoon from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. So 1 hour walking, jog and walking. So show, ay tulog-tulog dia show. Daga na show. So mo ni diri ang kan to ang plaza. So mo ni every morning, every afternoon. Kay morning mag hatod sundo man ta sa tuang mata sa Xavier Grade School. So afternoon, ning time sa atong pag-exercise. Di na ta, tibot lang, exercise, walking. Thank you, and good afternoon. God bless.